Hi guys, welcome to Tech Off Bro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make Adobe Acrobat in default 2024. So firstly, you have to go to settings, click on settings, and then you'll find here application or apps option. Click on apps. Now choose default apps. Now scroll down and you'll find here this option, choose default applications by file type. Click on this. Now in the left hand side you can see that .3fr.3g2. Now you have to find .pdf. So in case you have to go to PDF, you have to go the P section. So you can scroll down and find the P section first. This one you can see in the P section starting from here. So we're gonna just find the .pdf from here. .pdf, you can see this .pdf. In the right hand side you'll find this Microsoft Edge. Click on this and choose Adobe Acrobat. It's done. So it is now default Adobe Acrobat. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.